Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video is I'm going to show you on how to connect your Infinix Band 5 or your Infinix XB05 to your smartphone. Let's go. Alright guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel. So for us to connect our Infinix Band 5, all we just have to do guys is we're going to get our manual and we are going to scan this code here. Okay, so if you have an iPhone or an Android, there shouldn't be any problem. So let's scan this iOS here, and it will redirect us to this application here. Alright guys, so we're going to download Infinix Fit. Yes, so let me just download this one. Alright guys, so we have already downloaded our Infinix Fit, so let's open this one. Okay, you can set the kilograms or your weight and how tall you are, so you can just complete that one later on. Okay, and from there guys, you can just click add a new device, and Infinix would like to use Bluetooth, so let's turn on our Bluetooth. Okay, for a while guys. Add a new device, and it's already searching. Okay, so we have here our XB05, so let's click that one, and it says there connecting, and boom, it is already connected guys. So it's very easy. Yes, and in the application guys, so you have here the home, the today here. So you have there the sleep record, the heart rate, the steps, and in the sports, so you have also here walk, running, bicycling, and skipping, and the device itself. So you have here phone, yes, the phone, and the SMS, the application. So let's try to click the phone guys. So the phone needs to be connected to the device. Please do not turn off the Bluetooth. Yes. So guys, here are the functions or the features that you can do on your Infinix Band 5. Yes, okay, and let's have here light up. So when you try to raise your smart band, it will light up, so you can just enable that one guys. And let's have here general. So you have your heart rate settings, find iPhone, and distance unit, and the 24-hour time. And we have here the profiles. Alright, okay, and I think that's all guys for this video. And if you have any questions guys, just comment down below, and if you like this video, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you soon.